Understanding the phrase, like a dog's dinner. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and somewhat humorous expression in the English language, like a dog's dinner. This phrase might conjure up images of a messy meal, but its meaning and usage are quite specific. Stick around as we explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Like a dog's dinner is a British idiomatic expression used to describe something or someone that looks extremely untidy, overly dressed, or trying too hard to make an impression but ultimately failing to do so. It's a colorful way to comment on the appearance of things or people, often with a hint of humor or irony. The origins of "like a dog's dinner" are a bit murky, but it's widely agreed that the phrase draws on the imagery of a dog's meal being a mix of various, often uncoordinated items thrown together. This comparison is used metaphorically to describe a person's appearance or the presentation of something that seems haphazard or mismatched. Using "like a dog's dinner" in conversation requires a certain context, usually related to commenting on appearances. It can be used humorously or critically, depending on the tone and situation. For example, if someone shows up to a casual event overdressed, you might say they're dressed like a dog's dinner, implying they've gone overboard with their outfit choice. 1. He showed up to the beach party looking like a dog's dinner, wearing a suit and tie. 2. This presentation looks like a dog's dinner. It's all over the place and lacks coherence. 3. Trying to mix polka dots and stripes in one outfit? You'll end up looking like a dog's dinner. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of the phrase, like a dog's dinner, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, idioms like this one add color and flavor to our conversations, making them more vivid and expressive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.